Welcome back. Now, before you begin working with the recorder, you're going to want to look at the menu of the recorder and set your tools. To do that, you're going to go to the Tools area and you're going to go to the Preferences menu. Now, you'll want to customize these settings. In particular, you'll want to customize where your files will be saved by default. And the most conservative way in order to save your files is to make it so that Camtasia will prompt you as to where the file needs to be saved. Now, this is an additional step in the process, and there is the possibility that your file may be corrupted in a crash. So if you find that you are crashing Camtasia after you've used it for a period of time, you may want to turn on the automatic file name and have it saved automatically. However, the most conservative way of serving your file is to have it prompt you for the file name. You want to take a look at the Inputs tab. You're going to want to set this information. If you go to your shortcut preferences, what you'll notice is that you can pause your recording with an F9 key. You can stop it with an F10 key. And this will allow you to work with your recorder without having to use your mouse or interrupt your screen presentation. Now, there are some important controls on the recorder itself. If you want to record the audio on your personal computer that plays in the background of your recording, you will leave your system audio toggled on. If you want the audio that's played on your personal computer left out of the recording, you can toggle it off. On the microphone setting, you're going to have a drop-down menu. If you click that drop-down menu, you can choose the mic that Camtasia will use for your recording. If you have more than one webcam connected to your Camtasia, when you toggle on the webcam button, you can select the webcam that you are going to use. When you're not using the webcam, you can toggle off the webcam from your recording. If you are using multiple screens, you can determine which screen will be recorded. And you can choose that screen and the dimensions here in this area. Once you've customized the settings on your recorder, you are then ready to begin screen recording or camera recording with Camtasia. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.